Hey, what's happening, Scotland County? We have another big weekend planned right here in downtown Laurinburg. Going to kick it off Friday afternoon with a student art show. This will involve students from Scotland County schools. The event will be at the Storytelling Arts Center. This is an art show, reception, and open house at the Storytelling Arts Center. That will begin at 4 o'clock this Friday. And then at 6 o'clock, the band takes off. They're going to be here on the stage right here on Main Street. Our first Hasty Realty, Laurinburg After 5. Friday night, 6 o'clock. The band will be New Local, and they are sponsored by Domino's Pizza. And again, that's the first Hasty Realty, Laurinburg After 5 of the season. And it's going to be right here on Main Street. The stage will be right here set up at Cronley and Main. And it's going to be a great time. We got food trucks, great band coming. They were here in July last year. Guys really wanted to have them back, so I'm looking forward to seeing them. And again, that band is New Local. All right, then Saturday morning, our Scotland Memorial Foundation's fund run will begin at 8:30. That is a 1 mile walk and a 5K walk run, however you want to pace yourself. Again, that begins at 8:30. They'll be taking registrations up to the start of the event. If you'd like some more information, contact the folks at Scotland Memorial Foundation. I believe that number is right here behind me, 291-7551. So if you'd like some more information about the fund run, give them a call. And then at 10 o'clock, the Spring Arts Festival will kick off. We're going to have arts and crafts, food vendors, food trucks. There'll be a kids zone. The student art show will still be going on. There'll be dance performances from our local dance troops, and we're going to have entertainment throughout the day featuring live music from Mark McKinney and Company, our friends from over in Robeson County. They've been playing down at the beach a lot. I think they have a new song coming out today, so check that out. Let's see. Then we've got some things coming up next week. Our Chamber Annual Awards Banquet will be held at Cypress Bend Winery. Tickets are available. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at the Chamber, 910-276-7420. And also our Leadership Scotland registration is open. If you'd like some more information about that, come see us or give us a call. Then on April 29th, I wanted to throw this in here. We've got one of our dance troops is having their recital. It's their first recital, Creative Expressions Dance Academy. That event will be at the Cole Center over in Hamlet, and it begins at 3 o'clock. And the name of the show is The Gift. Again, if you'd like some more information, contact creativeexpressionsdanceacademy.com. That's where you can go find some more information. Hey, it's going to be a great weekend. The weather is looking kind of okay. I think we're going to get through it. And hey, so have some hope. Pray for some dry weather and come out and see us this weekend. Hey, have a great time.